Help struggling homeowners by taking on plan would use the Treasury Secretary's new authority under this $700 billion bailout bill to provide guarantees to lenders and companies that service mortgages. Joining me now in studio is Dani Babb, housing expert. Danielle's also the author of the book, The Accidental Landlord. It's a catchy title. I love that one. Thank you so much. A new report shows the foreclosure filings have jumped significantly, 71% in the third quarter. I mean, that is pretty huge. How does this latest plan being discussed help out struggling homeowners to avoid foreclosure, and is it enough?
No, it's not enough. Unfortunately, it's going to delay the problem. It proposes basically that lenders create a freeze on someone's mortgage. That yes, they'll modify the loan, but in the short term, let's just stop the foreclosure process, see if they can afford it and move on. Chances are, if you're not able to afford your payment, even if it drops a couple of $100 a month, you're not going to be able to afford it again. I don't think it's going to do a whole lot. Okay,
when we talk about housing, though, there was some bright news, or you might put it in perspective when it comes to the housing sales that jumped, what, 5.5% last month.
Right.
How did that happen? Was that foreclosure sales, or what? Yeah?
It was primarily foreclosure sales. And, you know, where we saw the biggest increases were in the states that really needed it: California, Arizona, Nevada, and, of course, we still have struggling Michigan, Ohio, and Florida.
Federal Reserve expected to cut a key interest rate this week. If they do, how does that translate to mortgage rates?
Well, so far this year, when the Fed cuts the rates, even when they just did recently, the half-point drop, we're not seeing it have an effect on interest rates. In fact, the last couple of weeks we've been seeing them inch up. I don't think it's going to impact that, but it will make your credit cards, your home equity lines, and your student loans cheaper, which may help you pay your mortgage.
So the government plan, is that going to help people who are struggling to get their homes sold at all? Do you see anything there? And if not, what can be done to help those folks who need to get out of their houses?
Yeah, what people just need to, first of all, price accordingly to the market, not what they want to get. They need to work with their lenders to agree to a short sale so that whatever they get for the home, the bank accepts in lieu of foreclosure, so that doesn't impact their credit. The real bottom line key here, we saw inventory move this month from 11.5 months of inventory on the market to 9.5. That's a very good sign. The problem is we don't have enough investors in this market right now. There's no way owner-occupied homeowners are going to be able to eat up all this inventory.
Okay.
So we have to incentivize the buying side.
Okay. Dani Babb telling it like it is here, as well as in the book, The Accidental Landlord. Thank you so much.
Because we got a lead in the poll.